Talk about wireless earphones. Today we will talk about these i7 earbuds. They are really lightweight. They look like kind of like the iPhone earbuds, and let me tell you, I was really impressed with those. They cost around $5, but you can get them for free. $3 per piece, and let me tell you, they are probably the best earphones I have ever ordered from Wish app. And I bought these for $3, but the joke on me, because I thought I was buying a pair and I only received one. But other than that, I'm really satisfied, because at that point I already have these two earphones from Wish, and let me tell you, the i7 plays a lot better than both of these, and these were $4, and these were I believe they were for $5, and the sound is definitely better on the i7 earphone. If I compare them to these, which are from local store earphones for around $10, I believe the i7 is still better. And I would even compare the i7 earphone sound to the Steel series, and these headphones cost around $40 to $50, and the earbuds cost only $3 to $5, as I mentioned, and depending on from which seller you will get those. And of course, if we compare them to Beats by Dre Studio 2, the Studio 2 has superior sound, but again, these cost around $3 and these around $300. The only weird thing is that all of these other wireless earphones are charged with micro USB, which most of them has, but these ones are charged with this little weird cable. But again, it comes in the package, so it's fine. I've tested these few times. The charging time is around an hour, and the work time, you can listen to music for 3 to 4 hours straight. They advertise 5, but realistically you can get 3 to 4 hours. And the thing I kind of like about these earphones is when you switch them on, it will say the message that they are on, and they even tell you when you connect them to the phone, which I think is kind of nice. You can also buy a charging brick for these, so with that you can kind of replace the fact that they can only play for 3 to 4 hours. Overall, I highly suggest those in comparison to these two. And you know, these i7, they are not definitely as good as the earbuds from Apple, but they are really close. I was really impressed with these ones. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.